This is my 2020. Yo, what's pop? So I forgot to record. What's up? This is my 2022 desk setup. This is the drum set. You might be wondering, why does it look pink? Well, there. That's a floodlight. I can pick any color I want. I can pick any color I want on my phone, right? And I can control it. See, I got a blue one over here. This is my bed where all the work gets done. My wall, I have a lot of stuff on there because I like to personalize my room. So then moving forward, this is my window. I usually keep it closed because I don't know what the daylight is. I just stay in here all day. Yerba mates, that's where it's at. Come over here. Just bought 6 of them. You know, we got them chilling in there. Moving on to the desk setup. This is the weirdest one you'll ever see because some items on here are very nice. Some of them are pieces of crap. Like, you know, I've got a hole in my front panel. $25 mic probably sounds better than your SM7B. You know, I got those filters in OBS.
How about talk about like the PC?
Alright, PC. Ryzen 5 5600X. And then, you know, I got a RTX 2060. I think it's MSI.
Well, I'm taken by the fact that it says MSI in there.
I'm gonna guess that it's MSI. For the motherboard, I've got an Asus B450F Gaming Mark II. No Wi-Fi in there, so I gotta use Ethernet, but that's okay, because Ethernet, you'd be kind of busted. And then we got that routed to 2 monitors right here. The more expensive one definitely being the vertical. We got the 32-inch curved for the vertical. 165 Hertz. This one's also 165 Hertz. And this is 1080p. That's 1440p. And then 27 inches.
Oh, there you go.
Alright, we got the Razer Viper Ultimate. Got it refurbished on Amazon for 60 bucks. That was a steal. Didn't come with the charging dock though. So, once it runs out of battery, you just can't use it anymore. And then, you know, we've got the GK61. Lubed with optical black switches. I actually already got a video up on the channel if you want to hear a sound test.
You have 3 videos.
Got the white glorious mouse pad with a monitor light bar shining down from the heavens above to illuminate my glorious and then the most important part of the entire setup, my little kitty.
It's like My Little Pony.
You may be wondering why I have a towel on my door. That's just for the sound dampening. I don't actually take showers. So,
Because you're always in your room, right?
yeah, I'm just always in here. I've actually never left. This has been recording the entire time. And then for my camera, for the streams, I got the Canon SL2. Oh, I didn't even talk about the shelf.
Yeah.
Alright, this shelf, this is from IKEA. It's the Slack or the Lack or whatever you want to call it. And I got a Supreme poster up here. Used to be on the wall behind you. And then you know, like, I got that hanging plant, you already know. Oh, let's talk about the actual desk.
Oh, sorry.
Hey bro, you know, I got that usual IKEA setup. This is Carlby. It was way too expensive for what it is, and it's starting to bend a little bit. So I might have to upgrade that in the future. And I got the Alex drawer with, gonna be honest, no idea what that is.
So you're IKEA.
IKEA. Bed is IKEA as well. IKEA. My slave is IKEA behind the camera. Welcome back to, or that.
Start over.
Alright, this is my door.